Hey guys, welcome back to the High Road Brewery where, yes, I've done it again. I've brewed the Elvis Juice clone and it is an absolute banger. Grapefruit and what more can you say, big IPA. So sit back, enjoy the footage and I'll catch you at the tasting. Cheers, bye.
Exótica. Exótica. Enter the world of Exótica. Be a dice of Exótica. 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 Enter the world of Exótica. Be a dice of Exótica. Exótica. Exótica.
There it is, Elvis Juice. Oh, classic. So what did I do different this time? It was, I had to try, mixing it up again. I've brewed it a couple of times now. I brewed it myself and I brewed it for my mate Del at that time when we kind of tried a couple of different things. And so I wanted to revisit it. I wanted a big IPA, lots of bitterness kind of, and that grapefruit crunch and just, something that you just have a glass of, or in my case, a small glass. Monday night, and yeah, you get absolutely yeah, you get blitzed in this stuff. But what I did this time was, instead of using the grapefruit peel, I used the pink grapefruit extract that the malt miller sell, and I also changed the yeast to Voss, because Voss is that kind of crazy orange kind of flavours you get off Voss, and that pairs really well with the Elvis, because one of the things that you can put in is orange peel and grapefruit peel. So yes. Anyway, on the nose, you get that kind of grapefruity thing and citrus from the hops, I suppose. Yeah. On the flavour, it's that mega grapefruit that you expect, and it's so close as well to the actual original. It's kind of cleared a little bit. It's still got a bit of that kind of hop haze to it, because there is a fair bit of hops in this, and you don't realise that there's quite a lot of good classic hops in it, which, if I get my brew book, okay, let's see, Elvis, yeah, Amarillo, banger, Simcoe, banger, Mosaic, banger, Citra, banger. This thing's just full of banger hops. Bit of Magnum to batter with, boom. And then the malt bill's just a simple kind of pale malt and caramel, which I've went with Golden Promise, obviously, because that's what I've got a sack of, and British caramel. And that is it, bit of gypsum and some calcium chloride. And yeah, then it's just hops, hops, hops all the way. And then it was 10 grams of that pink grapefruit extract in the fermenter. no, the fermenter in the keg. So yeah, there was another thing I did, and that was I added olive oil into the fermentation, because at one point this Voss has been used a couple of times now, I think. So it's been harvested. So I don't know if it was getting tired or what, but it kind of, you could see in the tilt it was starting to flatten out, and I was like, oh no, that's not looking good. So I added some olive oil, because olive oil can help with the cell regeneration. It's almost like it bypasses adding oxygen to it. So if you've got too low oxygen in your wort, then you can add olive oil, and yeah, then it kicked off again, which was amazing, which was really cool. And yeah, the head's been really good. Like every single beer I've had till now has had crazy foam on it, and this one's just kind of been, obviously because I'm recording this, you know, it's there, it stays with the beer, but yeah, it's not like the big pillow thing that I've been getting prior. Oh. She's Elvis juice, by the way. This is the closest thing, yeah, I've definitely brewed to Elvis. If not, I would say it might be better, you know. It's definitely in its prime at the moment. Oh, jeez. So yeah, that's me got a keg of Elvis, which you cannot complain about. No, no, no. So no, chuffed with this, and I'll definitely be drinking it in smaller glasses during the weekdays, obviously. And then I'll maybe have a dry day, you know, some point this week. But you know how it is. And yeah, another cracker. I'm sending this out to a few folks, so it'll be interesting to hear their opinions on the old Elvis, see what they think. So yes, anyway, prattled on long enough. Hit the like button if this was okay. Just okay. And make sure you hit the, if you don't like it, then like Dr. Hans says, just double hit that for more effectiveness. Or whatever it is. Yeah. And hit the subscribe, because that'd mean a lot. Alright. And see if we can get this channel to 1,000 subscribers, because that would be epic. Alright guys, I'll catch you later, and in the meantime, if you're wanting to hear me anymore, make sure you go and check out the Hop Edition on all the awesome podcasting channels. Yeah, and go give us a listen over there. We recently just talked about lagers, which was a fun podcast, and yeah, there's a few more beers in the pipeline. I've been brewing quite a lot, so more videos to come, and I'll catch you later. Cheers.
Exotica. Exotica. Exotica is the music. Exotica is the music. Wir tanzen für Exotica. Exotica.